If you're planning to sell your home in San Diego, you're probably wondering, do open houses still matter in this day and age? Do they actually help sell your home? I'm Z with the McT Real Estate Group here in North Park, and I want to break this down for you honestly. Let's start with the short answer. Open houses can help, but they're not the magic bullet, and they're not always the right move for every property. So let's talk about when they work and when they don't. First, open houses are great for exposure. They create buzz, they get people through the door, neighbors stop by, casual buyers come check it out. It is a way of getting people in that work late during the week. And occasionally, you get a serious buyer who wasn't planning to book a private showing but walked in and fell in love. That does happen, but here's what's changed. Most serious buyers are already working with an agent. They're seeing listings online, they're scheduling showings as soon as homes hit the market. Most are not waiting for a Saturday or Sunday open house to see a home they really want. So while open houses bring people in, they're rarely the only thing that sells a home. In fact, many offers today come from buyers who never set foot in the open house. What does that mean for you? It means open houses can be part of the strategy, but they shouldn't be the whole plan. If you're going to have one, timing, marketing, and presentation matter. We typically recommend doing an open house right after the listing goes live, especially if we've priced the home well and created strong demand by marketing extensively online. It becomes a launch event. It gets energy around the listing. It gives us a chance to meet buyers, get feedback, and help move things forward. But it also means the home has to show well, clean, bright, easy to walk through. We're setting the tone for how people feel about your property. And yes, that includes your neighbors too. People love seeing what's inside, and sometimes they know someone who's been looking in the area. Don't underestimate word of mouth. We have sold several homes in North Park in the past this way. Now, when might we skip the open house if the home is tenant occupied, if scheduling is tricky, or if we already have strong interest from qualified buyers? And private showings are doing the heavy lifting. It's always a case-by-case call. So, do open houses still work? They can, but only when paired with good pricing, strong marketing, and the right prep. They're just one piece of the puzzle. If you're getting ready to sell your home in North Park, South Park, or any of our nearby San Diego neighborhoods, let's talk about what makes the most sense for you and your house. I'm Z with the McT Real Estate Group. We'll help you figure out if an open house fits your strategy or if there's a better way to reach the right buyers. Book a free consultation if you'd like to chat. No pressure, just a clear plan that works for your goals.